Hi everyone, I'm Lea from OLea Braids. Today I'll show you a braided hairstyle for workouts. It helps you keep your hair out of your face and it looks cool at the same time. First of all, part the hair into two sections. Then start to braid the left section with the Dutch braid technique. I already have a video about it if you'd like to learn how to do it. Do not forget to pull out the braid as you go down. When you reach the nape of the neck, continue with an English braid until you feel secure enough and put a clip at the end of the braid. Then move on to the right side. By the way, I also have a video about the English braid. Do the same with the right section. Dutch braid it, pull it out a bit and finish with an English braid. Then tie the two braids together. Cover the elastic with a small piece of hair with the help of a topsy tail. It could already pass as a workout hairstyle, however, a ponytail is not really ideal in the gym. So yeah, it needs a bit more work. The last braid technique for this hairstyle is a fishtail braid. Separate the pony into two and alternately add a small piece of hair from one side to the other. Cross every piece over each other. At the end of the braid, tie it with an elastic and also cover it with a small piece of hair. Voila! The braided hairstyle for your workout is finished and you're ready to hit the gym. Try this hairstyle for your next workout. Comment down below if you did. And if you have any suggestions for my next video, don't hesitate to write them down. You can check out the videos that I mentioned in the description. I hope you liked this video. Please share, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content like this. Bye for now.